Now we see about 404 error and error handling. So when we navigate to any routes which are not be created, means then it will create a 404. We can also have custom 404 page by creating a notFound.js page. So under the app I create notFound.js. so inside notFound, what content we are providing, it will be shown as 404 page. So you can see for the random page it is showing not found. So this is our 404 page. We can also trigger our 404 page in any section of our page by using the not found function from nest/navigation. So I am in home page, so I am importing not found from nest/navigation. So if something is wrong, means for example for the if statement we can trigger the not found. So when this not found is triggered, then it will go to 404 page. So next we see about error handling in Nest.js. So the error handling is we need to create a error.js file. So under app I create a error.js. So the error component should be a client component because we resolve our error and show the status to user in client side. So we need to use client component. So we need to export a function error, and this error function has two parameter, error and reset. So we return what we want to show, for example error, and we can create a button to reset our page. So this reset function will re-render our component and it will re-render the resolve our error and show the UI. So we can click this button and reset it. So what this error will have means we can show the message to the user by using the error. So what we can show means we can use error dot message. This will show the error message forwarded from client component. We can also have error dot digest. This will show the hash of error code which will be thrown from the server component. So these two things we can use here. So how we can trigger our error means, for example in home page I am using a use state. So I am using stated which is not defined. So this will trigger our error.js file. So you can see in home page we have the error and try again. So this will resolve our error. Okay. So but this error will not cover for the layout page. If you have any error in the layout, then this will not cover that error. Why means you need to understand the file structure. So first layout is the top component, and then template, and then error boundary. So for all other pages we have the error, but for layout and template we don't have any error boundary. So to create layout and template error boundary, we need to create another file, that is global error.js. global -error.js. So this will wrap our layout and template. So this global error.js file is similar to error.js file, but the difference is the global error.js will wrap our layout and template. So we need to define HTML and body in this area, because our main HTML will be in layout. So we need HTML and body in this area. We can also have many error files inside routes. For example, we have the particular error for about route, and we have the error or error for inside app route, and we can also have global error.js file. So that's all about error handling and not found page.